So we have a facelift 991 Turbo S, light interior, and S63 convertible at Platinum Cars. In Norrköping, in Sweden, 1.5 hours from Stockholm. And it's a special edition of the 911 I haven't seen. It's let's see, S Coupe Endurance Racing, one of 235. And another nice 911 Turbo S facelift. I would choose the other wheels that the white have. I would maybe not choose these wheels. And here's a non-facelift. But what I really liked and surprised me, they have a Swedish sold GTR AMG with yellow calipers. Is that standard on the GTR? Have a look here. Gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Check out the brakes. Yellow calipers. And what I haven't noticed on the GTR is the logo is yellow. Is it that on all GTRs? Just see the huge roll bar. AMG logo. This thing looks mean. Nice combo. And Performante in white. Love the color actually. Goes well with the desk. Lovely car. Wing looks really sporty with the alarm system. And GTS. Anyway, this is getting double size within RS4 matte white Bentayga. That's interesting. €250,000. This thing was low. I don't know about the rims, but F12 is F12. Performance is out of this world. Anyway, so this is it's a nice place to look at cars if you are driving towards Stockholm. And on the other side here we will Platinum cars will be double as large, which will be quite interesting. RS3. So yeah, it's and I mean I would be okay with this choice actually. I prefer these wheels. These wheels look so light. Anyway, that's all for Platinum. See you later.